Before performing hair transplant to our guest, our doctor examined the structure of the hair in the scalp with a professional hair analyzer to check the graft angles and determine the front line with a special scale. With painless and needleless anesthesia device, hair transplant will be performed with total comfort. In Estetica, grafts are preserved in special tissue and organ transplant solution. The DHI Plus Gold technique we use is a gold-tipped special pen which can simultaneously open the channels and place the graft at the same time in 1 to 2 minutes. Estetica's patent multivitamin complex is applied to the transplanted area as mesotherapy to promote complex tissue fitting, faster adhesion to the graft tissues, and strengthening the graft for growth. Estetica Gold Cream has the feature of rapid healing to the donor area, stopping bleeding, swelling, and pain. Laser application prevents the damage from polluted air, exhaust gas, dust, and similar factors. Estetica made hair protection products can provide long-term care.